shower gels are made mainly to deeply moisturize, nourish, and restore hydration. So on today's YouTube video, I'm going to be reviewing the Clear Nature Gold Perfect Lightening and Exfoliating Shower Gel. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. I'm Purity Mike and I do everything beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't make it your last. And if you're returning the subscriber, mwah, welcome back, honey. So like I said, I'm going to be reviewing the Clear Nature Gold Perfect Lightening and Exfoliating Shower Gel. You notice that I'm almost done with this one, so I really needed to make the review before I run out completely. Okay, so shower gels are liquid cleanser. Instead of using a bar soap, you just use something liquid like this, and this one is from Clear Nature. Let's just read through quickly what the manufacturer said here. So like I said, Clear Nature Gold is the perfect lightening and exfoliating shower gel. It said that the perfect gold lightening exfoliating shower gel cleans your skin gently and deeply. This formula, enriched with micro scrub particles, cleans away the impurity and dead skin cells, fine line, and dark spots. Okay, let's stop here. Now, first things first, the truth is that these products actually have little particles in it. Okay, I'm sure you can see like some little particles that is in here. I think brown or gold color, and it actually does help to it's a bit like a scrub, but then the particles in here is not as big as a regular scrub. Okay, but then with the dark spot thingy, I am not so sure. I did not really see any difference with my dark spots when I was using this product, but if it's for the cleansing part, I really cannot see the bacteria on my body, yes, but then I noticed that because of the particles, I was able to scrub well. It also said your complexion is incredibly unified and your skin is smooth and sleeky. A regular use refreshes your complexion. The skin is ready to get ready for beauty treatment. Okay, so yeah, one thing about Clear Nature, I'm going to keep stressing it. You all know, if you've seen any of my Clear Nature review, it helps to unify the skin. Okay, this is not, I know that they said lightening here, but this is not going to lighten you guys. I'm almost done with this pack. This is how my skin is. You have seen my previous video. This is how my skin has always almost been. I did not see any lightening effect with this at all. So if you're looking for something that will lighten your skin, this is not it. This is just going to help exfoliate and it's going to help scrub you well. Okay, for the ingredients, we have things like kojic acid, we have the retinol, we have lactic acid, we have glycerin, and so on and so forth, guys. But this is just everything we have on the pack. Okay, and one thing I also really love about these products is the smell, guys. The smell is really nice. I think one thing about body scrub and shower gel is the smell are always good, and this one is one of those ones that the smell is just beautiful. Okay, how do I really know? I don't know, it has like a smell. I don't really know how to classify it, but the smell is good. Okay, and guys, like I said, this did not lighten me. It just helped to actually exfoliate. Because of those particles, I noticed it helps with the exfoliation process. Now I'm going to be telling you guys how I use this. Okay, because of the particles, I know some people might not want to use their sponge or their glove to scrub with this, but guys, like I said, the particles here are really tiny, so you need your sponge or you need your hand glove to still scrub. Okay, don't just use your hand to go over your body with this. Use your hand glove or use your scrub. Okay, so once I wet my body, I go in with my scrub on my body and then wear my gloves. Then I add this to my gloves and I exfoliate or I bathe. Now when I use this, I did not go in with my regular body soap. Okay, I use this just to bathe. This was my bathing soap, my exfoliating gel, and everything. Although I still did my regular scrub, I still did my regular exfoliation with my body scrub even while I was using this. Okay, I still exfoliated my body with my regular scrub 3 times a week even while using this. Okay, and yes, I also use this on my face, but when I'm using this on my face, I do not go in with my sponge anymore, and neither do I use my face towel. Okay, normally when I'm using my soap, I use my face towel to wash my face, but if I'm using this, because of the little particles in it, I do not use my face towel. Okay, I just use my hands to wash my face with the shower gel and I rinse. That is all I do for my face. This product actually lathers up really well. One thing I also really love about this, it lathers very well. And if you still do not want to use your sponge on your body while using this, there is no problem, probably because of the particles. But to me, I just use a sponge or a glove so that I will feel I had my bath well. But if you feel okay, your skin is really sensitive, then you can just use your hand to wash. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 10. This is a 1,000 mil. It is really big. I've been using this for a while. It is quite big. To be honest, I am not sure of the particular price of this one. This was gifted to me by KineMaster, but then if I find out the price, I'll definitely leave that in the description box down below. You should also know that KineMaster has different shower gel. This is not the only shower gel KineMaster has. I'm going to just drop some pictures so you would know. I think they have the carrots, they have the other ones. So love, this is it for these products, and I hope this review was good enough. If you have any question, anything I probably did not touch, please let me know at the comment section down below. Thank you for staying tuned. Please love, subscribe if this is your first time here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you again. I love you. Stay happy. Don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.